Hey, welcome back to Straight Outta Content. I am your host, Telly with Flash Custom Transfers, and we are featuring our UV DTF. High quality, durable, vibrant UV DTF on a 16-ounce glass bamboo top glass straw. We do have videos showing you how to set this up in Canva and apply them as well. Check those out. But today is not about that. Today is about our new digital download packs on our website. We updated our website, added more packs. So this video is a tour around. So let's go ahead and get straight into that. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is comment down below. What's the first thing? Yep, you're right. Head on over to Flash Custom Transfers, and we are here, baby. As you can see, we just kind of minimized the website, took out all the colors. People were getting confused on how to order, what to order. So, you know, we're just gonna simplify it. If you scroll down, you can see we do have our gang sheet setup details. We are offering gang sheet setup, and these are the details. We have 22 by 12, 22 by 24, and so on. And please be sure to read the details with the gang sheet setup. These purple flyers here, our flash sale, are our regular DTF and our UV DTF with standard processing time for up to 4 business days. Excuse me. The ones right under are with free next day print. So these are standard processing time. These are next day print if you're needing to meet a deadline. Down here is where we host our exclusive digital downloads. And if you keep going, you will see our free downloadable stocked images. And then we have pre-made gang sheets down here. And if you want to check out this little video of this fine little lady down here, check that out too. Our digital downloads, like I said, are down there, and they're also right up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our new digital downloads. You ready? Mom life. Who doesn't love mom life? We're all moms. Messy bun mom. Look at me today, guys. Y'all know I am. It's been a week. So we have our Mom Life Designs digital download pack. So this is just a sample of what is to come inside of our pack. We have the Hello Autumn, Breast Cancer Warrior, Jingle Bells. I like hers. I like the ones with the little buns, the Merry Holidays. We have some Mom Life. We got all types of Mom Lives down here. Mom, friend, bruh. If you have a teenage son, preteen son, your bruh. That's just your new name. So this is that there, Mom Life. Let's see what else. So we did get a few moms on here, and this is just how it would look on a t-shirt, but you are not limited to t-shirts. You can use your digital downloads for sublimation, UV-DTF, DTG, for your car, for your computer, anything like that. But remember, this is not a physical item. This is a digital download. This is all of our digital downloads. You make a purchase and you will receive your downloads in an email, or you can email us with your order number and we will send your link on over. Again, not a physical product. See what else we got? We got a Sports Mom bundle. So this comes with Sports Moms for basketball, baseball, and football. Just a few designs. Let's see, we have a baseball mom. That's super cool. Baseball mom, love basketball, football mom. And again, you do get a SVG and a PNG. With the right software for the SVG, you are able to alter these designs. And with the PNG, it's just a high resolution image. But like I said, for SVG, you're able to change. If you need it, if this is red, you can change it to blue. You can change it to orange. You can manipulate all of these, replace these. So these are all very customizable images with your SVG. With PNG, you will not be able to alter them with the PNG. Let's keep going. Well, you know, Merry Christmas is on its way. Let's see what we got. Christmas designs. We got some holly jolly ho ho ho's, chilling with my snowmies. Like, I think that's my favorite because, you know, like chilling with the homies, but snowmies because it's snowman. You get it? Santa time, Christmas baking crew. What else we got? Mama Claus. So just cute little Christmas designs. And all of these are $4.99. And the SVGs are customizable. This is my favorite. The smiley face one. Smiley face designs. I am a good retro. It might be the millennial in me. It's just a good retro smiley face gal. This one, I'm gonna print all of these. So we got good vibes only, like, of course, good vibes only, happy, happy, smiley, be kind to your mind, happy, happy, good times. So we are all good. Okay, so again, these are all customizable with the SVG, and they're all 300 DPI, so they are high resolution. And those are the 4 new downloadable packs that we have. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And to download your packs, they are at flashcustomtransfers.com for $4.99 a piece, and you're able to create gang sheets, you're able to create t-shirts, UVDTF, anything and everything with your new downloadable pack. So we will see you next time, and head on over to Flash Custom Transfers because she's doing a video over there as well. And I will see y'all then. Bye.